Good night. Rise and shine. Sulim Batalov from Chechnya delivers the wildest combo in the Octagon, putting his opponent to sleep, then waking him up with the next punch. It's the most brutal snooze button ever. Here we are in the Octagon, folks. Sulim Batalov from Chechnya is delivering a masterclass in unintentional hospitality, putting his opponent to sleep, then waking him back up with a follow-up punch. It's like the world's most aggressive alarm clock. Sulim's not just fighting, he's running a combat-themed map service. Forget pay-per-view. Sign up for a subscription.